Hey y'all, welcome back to Dollar Tree Tuesday. I am super excited. I'm up, I'm awake, still having issues with my back, but we're going to get into this Dollar Tree Tuesday. Now, I like to call this Dollar Tree Tuesday junk finds. Not necessary stuff that I needed, but I bought it. So let's get into it. So I went to my Dollar Tree. I ain't went out of town or anything like that. I've been, going down the street, coming right back. And I found these letters, with the alphabet. Because I have a little DIY that's coming. And you'll see these probably in the midsummer. But I got it in the fuchsia pink that I am in love with. And the purple. So I picked those up. And isn't this adorable? Look at this little shopping cart basket. And y'all know who this is for. Chili Bear. So I got this for her. Ship that up to her. Get some other stuff, for $1. This is new at my Dollar Tree. You guys may have seen this already at yours, but every time that I come on with Dollar Tree hauls, being that I live in a small city, we don't get all the fabulous stuff that y'all get, all the way up north and stuff. So, got this for Chili Bear. And then I found the Rocking Horse. Know I'm into my dolls. With the little baby on there. And if you've been following my Dollar Trees, I've been collecting a lot of Barbie clothing and stuff for my dollhouse. So this will go into the nursery if you remember about my dolls. So I got that. I thought that was a great find. And I'll probably go back and get like 3 or 4 more of those. Next, I got some yellow cutlery plastic forks. Now keep in mind, the stuff that I'm showing you is a mix and match that I've purchased over the last 30 days, and it's just been laying on my couch. I had purchased these beautiful, I would say they're not teal, but the baby blue or mint green butterflies. I got 4 of these. Okay, and then I found these fabulous gloves. Look at that. Yellow gloves. And then I got it in the red, and they're from Brillo. These are new at my store. As push come to shove, this is what I will be wearing when I go grocery shopping, because we're going to take this out of the sleeve, because I have not tried them all. And let's see how this works. Oh yes, and see, it even covers when you're on the cart. When you're pushing your buggy in the grocery store and you leaning on the cart, it actually protects, your wrist almost to your elbow. So these are a great find if you can't find, disposable gloves. And then you can always put hand sanitizer, bleach, or whatever to disinfect them. So that was my idea of the reason why I, got these. All right, and of course, once again, I found a Barbie outfit with the jeans, shorts, and a nice top, and it has the complete package with the purse and the shoes. It's for Ariana when she comes, a little grab bag I'm going to do. And then they have this new style of Referral doll outfits with satin blue pants and an orange top. I've seen a couple ladies that have previewed these, but I was not able to find the other outfits, which I am on the hunt. And keep in mind, if you guys find any Barbie clothes, please let me know. I will PayPal you, Cash App you, and send you the money for shipping and the whole 9 to send it to me. Now this is a new finds that I'm about to start into right now that I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday, which was May the 5th. I found the pineapple. This is a pineapple ice tray. Thought this is going to be cute for the summer outside. So I got that. And then I found the 4th of July 6-party tray. And this is great, you know, when you're outside barbecuing and you have guests real quick. Or, you know, just to bring your hot dogs in, or have the, you know, the grandkids or the kids outside. And they can just drop their hot dogs and french fries or whatever. You know, and it's also good for movie night, for popcorn or whatever you choose to use it for. So I had found that. And then they had the hot dog holder. You get 16 in a package. So I got the flag, and these are not really, you know, bit really good, but, you know, you get what you get at the dollar store. You got to make it work. So I picked these up. And then I found the flag, of course. It is a 6-banner flag. We've all seen these in the Dollar Tree. And you're supposed to hang these outside or whatever, but I have another idea of what I'm going to utilize this for. So I thought this was a great find. And this is an old Dollar Tree pickup that I got. Like, I'm combining my Dollar Tree from last month, because like I said, the stuff has just been sitting on the couch. So I got some flowers from the Dollar Tree. And then I found the safety goggles. I have not been able to find these since everything that's been going on, you know, in the world. Safety goggles, you know, for spray painting, you know, your DIY projects to protect your eyes. But I ain't gonna say that I'm gonna be looking crazy going into the store, but I may have to put them on going into the grocery store, you know, as things, you know, praying that things get better. So I found those finally. I should have probably got more of those. And this is another old haul that I had found last month. It's the barbecue, the red and the white. Same concept of snack trays. And I picked these up. There's 6 in a pack. And these are for when my goddaughter Ariana comes. She wants like her little fruits or, you know, her little vegetables for her snack. I thought that this would be great, you know, to serve her along with this one as well. So I got 2 of them. So I got a total of 12. 2 different styles. And then you could never go wrong with your phone mounting tape. When y'all are doing your tablescapes and you need something to stand up, this is what you need to use. This is the secret for your tablescapes. So if you have not utilized this, try to go out and get you a couple of these. These are great. And I found a 5-piece deco tape. They're starting to put these out at my Dollar Tree. So I hope you can see the different tapes that are in this one. And I loved it because it had the Glam Life tape that's in there. Hope you can see it right here. And then it had the pink sparkle tape. So yeah, this is, I don't know how much is really on the rolls, but when I utilize it, I will try to do a video so you can see it. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed. Until the next video.